Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant of Islamic Studies of National Daily University School, Day Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is learning Tashdeed and Wajib Gunnah. Today's topic is learning Tashdeed and Wajib Gunnah. Today's lesson number 6 and I will give HW which number will be 6. Term annual. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Today's lesson number 8. Learning Tashdeed. Tashdeed is a sign which is used with harkat above Arabic letter. The sign is like this, small w, as like as small w, or the head of sin. Okay, dear students, we know that this is the Arabic letter sin. If you erase this belly of the sin, then it will be sign of Tashdeed. And we know that this is the small w in English. This sign is same, w, small w, or sin. Head of sin is the sign of Tashdeed. Okay. Dear students, function of Tashdeed. The letter with Tashdeed pronounced two times. First one with the right side pronunciation like Josam, and second one with one harkat, such as alif ta zabar at, ta zabor ta, alif ta zabor at, ta zabor ta, equal to atta. Okay. Wajib Gunnah. When Tashdeed is used with noon and meme, the pronunciation of this noon and meme produce read buzzing sound. For example, alif nun jabar an, nun jabar na, anna. Alif mim jabar mim jabar ma, amma. This is the Wajib Gunnah, buzzing sound such as anna, amma. Okay, dear students, it's enough for today's class. Now I want to give HW. And today's HW number 6. And topic of HW, what is Tashdeed? Give example. Okay, dear students, you have to write down these first two lines and give example such as alif ta zabar at, ta zabar ta, atta. Okay, this is the definition of Tashdeed, or what do you mean by Tashdeed? Tashdeed is a sign which is used with harkat above Arabic letters. The sign like this, head of sin. An example of Tashdeed is alif ta zabar at, ta zabar ta, equal to atta. Okay, dear students, you have to do your assigned HW these first two lines and example only. Okay, dear students, you have to do your assigned HW on every your HW copy and submitted HW on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood the topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay well. See you again very soon inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.